Your practice team has asked you to watch this short video to help you decide if you would like your vaccination for flu today. I'm Dr. Gandhi, a GP, and to give consent you need to understand what the vaccine is for, know the main benefits and risks, and make your decision freely. The vaccine reduces your risk of getting flu and of becoming seriously unwell or suffering the long-term complications of the condition. It can't give you flu, but like all medicines, it can cause side effects. The most common side effects are mild and short-lived, such as a sore arm, a slight temperature, headache, bleeding at the injection site, or aching muscles for a day or two. Serious allergic reactions are very rare, but the team here is trained and equipped to deal with them quickly. Before we go ahead with giving you the vaccine, you can ask any questions you like. You can choose to have the vaccine today, delay it, or say no. Tell the clinician assisting you today what you decide, and they'll record your consent in the notes. I'm passing you to them now to help confirm that. And if you'd like consent options for other vaccines, then check out these videos right here.